Welcome to today's session on understanding and tracking ovulation. Let's begin with the signs of ovulation. One of the most noticeable is cervical mucus. As estrogen rises, mucus becomes clear, slippery, and stretchy, similar to raw egg whites. This texture helps sperm travel more easily. Another sign is basal body temperature. After ovulation, progesterone causes a slight rise in temperature, usually about 0.2 to 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Some women also experience mild pelvic discomfort or notice breast tenderness. So, how can you track ovulation? The simplest way is by marking your cycle on a calendar. In most women, ovulation usually occurs about 2 weeks before your next period, if your cycle is regular. Secondly, taking your temperatures every morning before getting out of bed can confirm ovulation. A sustained rise in temperature indicates that ovulation has already occurred. This helps confirm your cycle pattern over time. By the way, ovulation predictor kits can detect surge of luteinizing hormone in your urine. This surge happens 24 to 36 hours before ovulation. Therefore, testing daily around your expected fertile window can give you a clear signal. Another method is the use of digital fertility apps and monitors that combine cycle data, mucus observations, and temperature readings. Before we go, here are some practical tips. If you are trying to conceive, aim for intercourse every 1 to 2 days during your fertile window, rather than focusing on a single day. Remember, sperm can survive up to 5 days, while the egg only lasts 12 to 24 hours. Briefly, let's clear up some myths. Ovulation does not always happen on day 14. Cycles vary widely. Secondly, stress, illness, and conditions like PCOS can shift ovulation. As we wrap up this session, if your cycles are irregular or you face challenges, don't hesitate to consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Whether you are trying to conceive, managing your wellness, or simply curious, these tools can make a real difference. Thanks for watching. My name is Skylar. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and explore our women health and wellness playlist for an in-depth explainer on how to increase pregnancy chances. Click here to watch our next video. Stay curious, stay informed.